Thank you for your interest in Nashua Community College. I'm Hannah, NCC class of 2018, and I'm here to show you how you can apply to NCC. NCC has more than 50 degree, certificate, and career training programs. The college has very flexible schedules. Online courses are offered all year round, including day, evening, and weekend classes. So how do you apply to NCC? Well, NCC has a rolling admissions policy. You can apply online, download a writable PDF from nashuacc.edu, or pick up a paper application from the NCC admissions office. If you're reapplying to the college after 1 year of absence, welcome back, but please fill out a new application for the new academic year. And if you're transferring from another college or university, you may submit official transcripts of all previous college work. Courses successfully completed will be considered for transfer. If you're an international student, please download a PDF application from the NCC website. If you're applying to the nursing program, don't forget to attend a nursing information session in order to learn more. Next, we'll talk about how to confirm your high school graduation so that you're ready to enroll at NCC. You may self-certify on your application that you have graduated or will graduate from high school in the near future, or that you have received the equivalent of a high school diploma, such as a HiSET or GED. Next, we'll talk about submitting your transcripts. Submitting your transcripts is completely optional, but will give you an advantage in choosing your schedule. Transcripts may also be used for course placements, or academic programs may require it. And now you're ready to submit your SATs or take the AccuPlacer placement exam. You can take the AccuPlacer placement exam up to 3 times, with a 6-week waiting period between each retake. The test is free the first time and carries a $20 fee for each retest. But before you take the AccuPlacer placement exam, please make sure that you're checking with an enrollment specialist. You may not need to take it if you've received college credits, taken AP courses, taken math or English CLEP tests, or scored 460 in math and 401 in English within the last 3 years on your SATs. And this is your final step in completing your application. But please note that some programs, such as nursing, automotive, and Honda, have additional admission requirements. Thank you for watching. You are now ready to apply to NCC. Please watch the following video about the next steps after submitting your application.